This question says that ABC are points on the circumference of a circle center O. Tangent DE touches the circle at C. Angle BCE is 53. Angle ACO is 20. Find angle X. So a tangent always makes a 90-degree angle when it touches the circumference of a circle. So the 90-degree angle will be with the radius over here. So this small angle can be found using 90 minus 53, which is going to equal 37 degrees. This is the radius, this is the radius, which means if that is 37, this is also going to be 37. So we can find this angle by doing this angle COB, 180 minus 37 minus 37, which will give us 106 degrees. So what's left is angle X. This angle is going to be half of the angle at the center. So that's going to be 53. Why half the angle at the center? Because one of the circle theorem states that angle at the circumference is always half of the angle at the center. So this is 53. Now, if we divide this, we can see that we have two triangles. And once again, the lengths are equal because OA is also the radius. OA equals to OC equals to OB because they're all the radius, which means this angle is going to be X and this angle is going to be 20. So easy way out, we do for X 53 minus 20, which is 33. That is your answer.